police that just drove by. I don't know why. Sorry for the butt shot. Okay. Take my shoes off because I don't know why. Sorry for the butt shot. And the dog stole my seat. Oh my goodness, you're thirsty. I'm sorry. I'm such a terrible mom. Let's put this back here. And we climb back into the front. Okay. Messed up again, but that's a white. Where'd he go? Heron. Maybe he'll come back. Nope. This is where we're going, hopefully. A lot of this trip was just me trying to get out of my own head. There's been so many changes in my life in the last couple of months that it's been really hard for me to kind of wrap my brain around it. And I just needed to leave, basically, and drive and get out and do something. Even if it was just driving down the road like what I'm doing, or driving to a rest stop or whatever. I just needed to get outside, get some air, and go do something. And it really did help. And it really is helping a lot. So this is kind of what I thought it was going to be like. It's a waterfowl management type thing. There's also these clouds and stuff. I think we might go to the other place. Sorry about the wind. But all around here, I guess, migratory waterfowl come to rest and feed and do all the things they do. It says 34 species of waterfowl have been observed at Cheyenne Bottoms. Of these, 15 species are known to have nested here. So it's pretty cool. Right over there. That was the police that just drove by, but I'm coming up here anyway. Let's hope I don't blow off or drop my phone. Sorry about the wind. Look at all that water over there. That's water. not fond of heights. So let's go see what else I can get into. A little windy. Sorry, but we're gonna forge on. Right, Zoe? I actually love thunderstorms and storms that make me feel like I'm alive. So here we go. What you get when you go to crazy off the beaten path camping spots. No, I think I'm gonna go on, see what else I can find. I mean, it's the weather cooled down, the cold front's moving through. I mean, it's pretty. There's nobody here except that one car, and I'm not liking that at all. So. Onward. One of the things I remember doing as a little kid is going on trips with my grandparents. And my granddad loved to take the back roads and the less used, less traveled way. And that's what I tried to do with this trip. So we didn't end up camping where I wanted to because there was some creepy, I didn't get a good vibe. Then I found another campsite, but by the time I started rolling in, it was dark, so I'm going to catch it on the way back.